Hello mate, you alright? Can I take a photo of you?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. Pardon?
Are you a private photo shooter?
Yep.
So do I have to pay to get photos?
No.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I'm making my YouTube content for taking portraits of strangers like that.
Oh.
Bike or skateboard?
Bike.
This is his bike.
Alright, cool.
Mine's at home, so
I was
just
gonna ask
came
if you
from
could take
school.
photos, that was all. So like, I can post on my Instagram and tag you.
Cool, sure.
I have a good idea for a photo if you want. While in a wheelie, I can go one hand and do this if you want.
That's sick.
Oh, that's mad.
I would say don't do that in case you wrap it, but if you're confident, then do it.
Be careful, mate. Is he expert for that?
He's alright. I want to see this.
That's mad.
I missed that.
I can ask him to do it again.
Is it alright?
Yeah, I know the guy on the BMX, that's his mate. I know him.
Cool, thank you. That would be nice. Nice one. Is that alright, mate?
Yeah, man.
Cool.
That's what I was gonna say. I'll probably be like, it'd be good if you can get it. It'd probably be good if you are from like this sort of angle, so that when I'm doing it, like.
Ow!
Ayo, these look mad.
Yeah, that's definitely one.
You've been doing great, man.
Alright, I'll have one more try.
Take a photo here so that message me, then I will send you the photo, right?
Wait, what is it? Is it
Victor, yeah.
Victor?
And that was my YouTube as well. So you're gonna start there. I will take a photo here. Is that alright with you guys?
Yeah.
Cool.
Wait, I'm gonna go get my phone.
Wait. I'm not ready yet. Let's do this. Can I take a photo if you don't mind, guys? Yeah, cool.